Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have learned how we can dynamically add chip here on the click of button and how to create this small application in Flutter. Now, in this video, we are going to understand there are more type of widgets also similar to chip. So these widgets are like this. I have copied this image from the ChatGPT. You can see that we have a chip here, clickable. It's saying cross because we have not clickable property in chip. Selectable property is not there, multi-selector is not there, deletable is not there, but we have a deletable on click of a button, and dynamically we can delete with the help of list, but itself it does not have such kind of facility. So here also we have action chip, we have a clickable property, means you can click on this, and in choice chip also we have a clickable and here selectable property also. In filter also we have a multi-selected environment also. Input chip is also there. These are optional if you want to use, and it have a deletable property also. So row chip is also there. So there's multiple chip is also available in Flutter. It's depend on you what kind of chip you want to require. Here I will give you example of choice chip, filter chip and input chip, because in choice we have a one selectable property, in filter we have multiple, and input chip is also there if you require, and deletable is also available. So we will do that. I'm not using action chip or row chip here. These are not more usable, and action chip is just like a button, so we can use button also in place of this if required. But so I'm giving example of this also. If you want to use choice chip or filter chip, so how we can use it, we see in this example. So here in the previous example I am inserting a chip here, and so I say here choice chip, I say choice chip in place of chip. Okay, and you see that we have a problem here is not defined because it's saying that deletable button is not available in choice chip. So in place of this I will provide selectable on selectable. Don't worry, I just replace to on selected. Okay, no problem at all. And here we have a boolean variable, so I say bool selected. Okay, properties there, and I'm removing this because we can't remove this, so this choice is there, and select is required. It's saying that one parameter more, that is called selected. It is also required to make it true or false. So this is the requirement of minimum requirement of choice chip, and I do selecting also. But before that I increase the size of this text field, and here what I do, I say style and I say text style, and here I say font size to 30. So I increase the size of this text which I am inserting here. Okay, now what I do, I have a label, so I create a variable here, small variable, string variable. I say string, and I say selected chip text. Okay, by default is empty right now. Okay, nothing is selected, but if here I say selected chip text equal to item dot value. Okay, if this is there, then it will become true, and here what I will do, I will update the value of this. So here I say set state. First of all, under this I say selected chip text equal to I say item dot value, like this. So if somebody is selecting the chip, the value will goes here and it will become the selected chip. So once again try to execute this. Remember that we have a on selected here, we do not have a on delete. Now it's starting. Here I say size I have increased this 30, that's why it's so big. I can increase the size of button also, but yeah, I can do button size also. This is expandable. This is here what I do, style, and I say text style, same font size, I do 30 here also. You see, this is done. Here I say not here, here I say on the application I say chip 1. I add this, chip 1 is coming, then I say chip 2 is coming. Remember, anything I can add, I can say 1 like this, I say 2, anything, whatever name I want to put I can give. If I click here, you see, check, automatically is checked. Why? Because I have done this here, that when you select the element, the property will change, the value of this chip 1 will goes to this, and this will become the current value, so it will selected. But if I click on here, so it unselected, click here, this is unselected, click here, this is unselected. You see, every time color is also changing because of this next color, and every time I have this, and you see like this, you see, like this. And this text color which is coming on this, that I can also change on this. This text color, I say style, and here I say here text style, I say color, and I say colors dot white, because white would be more visible here, you see. So I click here, I click here, click here, you see. So like this you can use ChoiceChip, but in place of ChoiceChip, remember that this is a ChoiceChip. Now I want to modify to FilterChip. So for FilterChip, one modification I have to do, that in FilterChip you have extra facility that multiple chip you can select at a time. So for that just I need to change to FilterChip like this. Only name I want to convert filter. Okay, FilterChip like this. Everything is same because we have a same property, and I refresh this, but automatically this filter chip would not behave as a multiple chip. Remember that it's behaving like a choice chip, but this multiple environment we can achieve, multiple selection environment we can achieve with the help of a list. So in place of this text, this is there, I say this is list. Okay, I say this is a list, and in which we have a string value, and this list is like that. So here now I can declare this final also, no problem. Okay, so you see here this is a list, and here I will add the information and I will check the information. So here in place of checking one by one, I say if it is contains the item dot value. If this value is available, make it true. And here is very simple. Just you need to add the new information if selected. So I say selected is there. If this is true, this information is true, I say add. What I add? I say item dot value. Very simple. And I say selected chip text dot remove at what? I say item dot index, item dot key, not index. Okay, so this is the value that we need to save. What is doing here? You see we have string is not a subtype of type. Okay, what is a string? Where is a string? Okay, we have a string here. Okay, so I have a problem. So this is not a string, so don't worry, I say dot to string. Okay, I convert this to string, no problem, and I start again. Okay, try to add once again. I say 1, add chip, coming good. I say 2, coming good. I click here, you see both are selected. Now I say 3, very simple. I click here, you see all 3 are selected, and I say 4 is coming. I click here, you see 4 is also coming. I click uncheck is there, you see click uncheck is there, you see uncheck is there, uncheck, you see this is the what? Last element. So it is not removing from this, so I say 1 because 1 I need. Now it can remove. 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there, remove this. We here remove this, but we are not removing the this one. Okay, because I'm clicking on that and it automatically selected, that's why, because 1 is selected automatically, that's why. I click here 3. Now I can deselect this one. I'm not able to deselect this 2. I think problem is here. This is selected, 4 is also selected. Now I remove this, so 2 is not removing, only 1 is removing. Okay, what a problem. All are selected, but this 2 is not removing. Okay, once again I refresh, maybe some problem from that side, not from my side. Key is this, remove index is there, string is there, and we have an empty list in the beginning. Yeah, empty is there. Now I say 1, good. Select this, unselect this, you see it working, no problem. I say 4 is there, select this, select, remove this, you see now it working. It was just it was not a coding problem, it was a app problem under emulator. Now it is running, no problem at all. You see, done. We have done filter chips also, we have done the choice chips also, we have done choice also. Now we have input chip also. Remember that everything is okay, that we have a deletable also, means on delete you can also enable. So just go there, and in place of this I say input chip also, input chip, good one. Everything is okay, it will behave like this. But we have a on delete button also, on delete function. So I say here on deleted, just like before we were deleting in a normal chip, and here on delete. what I do, I say if you want to delete, I say selected chip dot remove, not from this, I want to remove completely, so that name is chip list dot remove at, and here I say item dot key. Okay, and remember that we need here set state also. Set state inside this, I just cut this and paste this. Okay, very important to understand here. And this thing also we have in set state. No problem. Just run once again, save this, and now you see we have a delete button also here. I can click to delete. Here I say 1 like this. I have a 2 like this. So I can select also. You see selection is there, but I can delete also. Delete is also there. Selection is also there. Selection is also there, and I can delete also. Remember? So this is the advantage here in InputChip. So we can delete also. We have all the options. Those are available. Means if you are using chip, it's a normal like this. It's a normal one. But if you want to use action chip, it have a clickable, means you cannot click on this chip, but you can click on action chip. But if you want selection also, so you can use this one. And if you want filtering also, means multiple selection you want, you can use this one also, filter chip. If you want deletable element also, means you want all the chip option plus you want delete also, this option you want, so you can do this also. Otherwise you can use row chip. It have all the options, those are available here also. So single if you want to use, you can use row. Otherwise input chip is better to use. It have everything which you required. So these are the widgets available for a such kind of operation, so that I have make you understand how to use this. Okay, so that's all in this video. I think you like it. If you learn something from this, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching this.